I would like to show you my Fluxbox setup. It will be a quick introduction, just because many new Linux users use ditch floating window manager in favor of tiling window manager, and in my opinion it's not a good choice. I know they are useful, but in my opinion not for the end user or desktop user, and not for all of these guys who later send screenshots with system monitors or NeoFetch and gaps and shadows. To me it makes no sense, and most of those features can be achieved in floating window managers, at least in Fluxbox that I use for many years now, and I think it's wonderful. Okay, so basically in Fluxbox we have root menu. I open it via right mouse button, or alternatively super plus escape. Both works. When I switch my workspaces I use alt control and left and right arrows. Left for previous workspace, right for next. That's how it works. I open my terminal via super plus enter. I move it holding super and left mouse button. If I want to send it to another workspace, I have three. So first is left arrow, second is down arrow, and third is right arrow. So I hold super alt down for second, super alt right for third, and if I want to move this window along with me through the workspaces, I use super left control and left arrow, right arrow for next workspace. That's how it works for me. Now floating versus tiling window manager. So okay, I use one screen full HD resolution, and in my opinion this setting is way too small for more than three terminals with decent font size, and for it to be usable. So what I've done, I hope I wouldn't mess it up. I use super alt left, no, yes, 1 second. No, my mistake. Okay, super shift left for left, super shift right, super shift up, and super shift down. If I want to do move window to one of four corners, I use insert, delete, and page up and page down. So super shift up is right top, then right bottom, then insert left top and delete left bottom. This way we can easily create something like this. And third window here. So for me it's useful. For you, I don't know. If you think you may use it, I will show my keys file in a second. Just one nice trick, because you see I don't work with window decoration. I use only borders, and I used to shade windows a lot. So I create macro command that will I think I will need to open my help, because I don't want to mess something again. Okay, mode for up. Okay, so it's like first macro key is super plus up. It enables decoration and shades the window, and then the other combination is more super alt up that unshades window and disables decoration. So that's how it works. For me it works well. I guess that's it. I really like Fluxbox. I use it for many years. Of course, I tried different window managers. I tried full desktop environments, but I always used to go back to Fluxbox, and I think this is my final setting, at least for now. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Hope I helped. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you my keys file, in case you wanna use it in your own configurations. So that's it. If you find it useful, good for you. Enjoy whatever window manager you use and share the knowledge with other users.